Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a total 3. Let's dive in. Right, guys, now on the Twitter we can find a million posts with this screen where people compare the COVID dump, some 20, this some better, and some 25, this crash. First of all, this absolutely don't make sense. Just to be honest, guys, if you need to find some bullish pattern, you will find it. If you need to find some bearish pattern, you will find it. That's why no makes sense to compare the cycles. How the people can compare even the size of liquidation? That was like a 3 billion liquidation, pandemic in the world, and now we get a like flash crash 19 billion. So this like some resistance, this like some virtual support line, and this is one. So for me personally, it's absolutely no make sense compare the cycles, no make sense build the patterns just because of previous years. So how we can compare the 2019 and 2025 with everything was happening around the world in the last 3 years, even the 3 years. So for me, it's kind of weird how we almost till penny stop at 61 level by FIB. This is a really weird. I totally understand everything totally pre-planned before on the market with all of this manipulation, with all of these pumps and dumps. So pumps, it's also manipulation. Why nobody talk about manipulation when we pump it here in November till December 24? Nobody's screaming, wow, it's manipulation. A lot of people who open a short position also wrecked. That's why, guys, the market work in both ways. And the problem with the alts, so the alts sell us the dream about their product, their project, their coin have some value. There is zero value. So maybe that tokens great like a project, like idea, right? But the tokens mean nothing, absolutely. So basically all of that startups can work even without a tokens, basically. So my take for total 3 crypto capitalization is still relevant. I believe we can reach 1,340,000,000,000. This level 1.61 or even less than 2 billion capitalization. Hard to say by timing. I don't think so. This is the end of cycle for the alts. If it is, we all wrecked, just to be honest. And we are in a big trouble with the crypto industry in general. Because if this is the end of cycle, where the alts at historical all-time low, it's kind of weird. Definitely weird. Because there was no euphoria on the market, so just basically a BTC hit new all-time high, BNB with manipulation, without manipulation, it absolutely doesn't matter. Ethereum and Solana, XRP. So just how many tokens reached it? The main tokens reached the new all-time high. Just a few of them. That's why I don't think so. This is a end of cycle, but a pretty good flash crash. And also, I don't think so we will see some crazy parabolic move. So like, oh, it's just the beginning and we have to skyrocket like this one. I don't think so. Yes, it's possible to reach around 2 trillion capitalization on alts if the BTC dominance will be, I don't know, under 50%. Maybe. But everything looks so weird. Locally, this is a weekly time frame. We can see the test of first level, 983. So now it's over the 1 trillion, but we can drop under 1 trillion capitalization, 983 billion. After that, I will be not surprised if we drop to 86 level FIB, 903 billion. Where the people will find here that's fancy pattern, like I guess the people draw something like this one. So do they count by body candle or by weeks? How do they count? For me, it's all of these patterns absolutely don't make sense here. So what is it? Why it's a fake out? Because it's a week? It's kind of weird. So based on that logic, we have to trade here till March 26 in this triangle. March 26. So this cycle, based on this logic, can be extended in time for one more year till autumn 2026. I guess in 2026, around the spring, nobody even care about this week, about this flash crash. Everybody forgot about it. And yes, a lot of liquidation was with the cross margin. The problem was with the cross margin on the futures. On the spot, if you hold it, you just hold it. I don't want to say the spot is a safe haven. Absolutely not. Spot, if you enter on the wrong entry price, it's wasted time. More about a wasted time. So you just froze like I do. Froze the money. For example, with the Starknet, I froze the money. And I'm sitting that shitty coin with unrealized losses, but my money doesn't work. So it's kind of weird. That's why, guys, I think it's not an end of cycle. One take. Is this possible? So this is the end of cycle? Yes, of course. It's so obvious. But I think it's not. I think the BTC will hit another all-time high, and the people will start show the idea, it was a reset of the market, now up only. And this will be the trap. Because at 139K, I guess we can hit that target. People scream we're going to 150K, 200K. For Ethereum, when we will pass the 5K, I think the Ethereum will stop at my target like 6K 600 or 7K. Everybody gonna start show it was a reset, so we go straight forward to the 10K, 15K, 20K for Ethereum, confirm it. And it's gonna be also the trap. And I think the capitalization will be here that time. Some geopolitical news positive will be around the media at that time of April. Now I don't see any April on the market. And now locally, yes, it could be good to see the correction to this block or this block in October. So we still got like 2 weeks, October ongoing. So we can drop even this week like this one. And after that, next 2 weeks up, retest and go higher, for example, in November in the Santa rally. So usually also we come back and the closer the weeks, 50% of the week. So the 50% of the week, it's around 914 billion, around 86 level fee. This fee we tracked since 2022. I use this like a top, the real top of the market, a bubble, correction, new high, drop, 27 block. Here is a consolidation around 0.61 level fee. And here was a test like support 0.5. Here's a test of now, almost test 61. And I think we go higher. Now let me show you with indicator set what's happened. Here was a rejection at exit line. It was so obvious, to fix some profit. Of course, nobody could predict, so we will dump like this one with a Donald dump news. And it's kind of weird how the pandemic in the world dumped the markets 3 billion liquidation, and some tariffs on China is like 19 billion liquidation. It's kind of weird. So we can build a lot of conspiracy theory, but not for that channel. So now, where we can stop? Based on take profit indicator, the buy line is 532 billion. I don't think so we're going to drop that low. Not now. We can drop if this was an end of cycle. Yes, if we form a double top like a BTC in 2021. So like for example March, May 2021, and this is a November 2021. So if this is that pattern, yes, it's the end of cycle. We go into the bear market for the next 3 years. Yes, it's kind of bad, but I don't think so. It's a weekly time frame. Monthly time frame, guys. Here. This is an exit line. Above test can be 634 billion. Also, I don't think so we're going to drop that low. This gap closed, this all gaps closed, all liquidity grabbed. So only if the cycle ended, and nobody know are we ended or not. That's why I share my opinion. I think not. So the buy line is 278 billion. I think we'll go a little bit higher. So something like this one. Maybe we're gonna stop it here. Maybe 1.5 trillion, and after that we'll form something like this type of pattern, and around here is gonna be the end of bear market. Like I don't know. It's hard to say by timing. Maybe it's gonna be the I don't know, winter 2027, for example. This can be like a half trillion capitalization for the alts. Maybe. Locally, daily, I would like to show this one. We also didn't test the buy line, but of course we didn't test either the take profit line. So we just around the middle. So the buy line was 713 billion. Now we trade over than 1 trillion, and I think would be good to test this block like 900 billions and go straight forward to the take profit line on the daily 1.4 trillion, exit line 1.59 trillions. So yes, it can be the end of cycle, for example. And take a look with other indicators. It's ADZ direction. ADZ direction. Here is top, and this is just a middle, so this is not a bluff of top. No, no signal to sell on direction. Good one. Weekly time frame, kind of bad signal, because here we got a like preparation to sell. We are in distribution zone on ADZ. Here's a sell signal this week. Last time when we saw the signal to sell, we bounced at like 1, 2, 3 weeks up after signal to sell, right? And after that, crash it down. So would be good to see the 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks up. I don't know, by till middle of November, hit the new high, for example, and dump. If it is, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad because not all alts will perform in the next 3 weeks or 4. So it's kind of bad scenario. Let me double check on the direction. On a monthly, still no signals to out. It's okay. Take a look the market's mood, guys. This is a totally free. Of course, I understand it. So this is not like time to go all in, because, for example, no makes sense to hop all in XRP, for example, in top of the top tokens. This is A3, still on a weekly time frame. So we need to see some market come down, like, I don't know, to positive, to optimism. Daily, of course, I guess it's like, yes, it was a flash crash and capitulation in the market. Now it's just optimism. That's why I wish to see the 900 billion capitalization and continuation rally up. Money power indicator, guys, no signal to... why it showed like this one? It's kind of weird. All right. Here, this was a beginning of October. Every side bearish divergence on a daily, time to sell. Here's a money outflow. Now nothing. So I wish to see the drop and some money inflow, like it was here in December 2022, and continuation top. Monthly time frame, there is no money outflow yet, like it was here in spring 2021 and autumn 2021. So basically, this is not a top of the top yet. That's why let's add alerts on the monthly time frame, money outflow, so it can be the signal for us. Some alts need to be fixed. And take profit, I showed you trade on, guys. This is some fixation, time of fixation alts. Now no fixation, but of course the candle still not closed yet. Sell, drop, buy back, no one signal to sell. Daily signal to sell was here in the summer. Now no signal to sell yet. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what is your thoughts about the total 3 capitalization charts. If you'd like to trade with my customer, like I said, what showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.